Don't make boring welcome slide in Microsoft PowerPoint. Instead, you can make this beautiful and eye-catching welcome slide in Microsoft PowerPoint very easily. So in this video, you are going to see how I made this. So let's get started. Here I have already taken a blank slide. Go to Insert, go to Shape, pick a rectangle shape and drag it over here and make sure it covers the whole slide. Now go to Insert, insert a text box, drag it over here. Right here welcome, select it, change the font to Righteous and change the font size to 185, increase the size and place it like this. Again add another text box, drag it over here and right here to our presentation, change the font to Righteous and change the font size to 66 and go to text spacing and make it very loose and increase the text box size and place it like this. Now select the rectangle, hold down the Ctrl key, select the first text box and the second one. Go to shape format, go to merge shape, click on combine. Go to shape outline, make it no outline. Now we need to add a video. So go to insert, go to video. You can use stock video from here, or I am going to insert a video from my computer. Let me click on this device. Here I have downloaded a video from a website. I am going to show you. Just click on insert. I got this video from the pixabay.com. Just write paint water and search. You will find various free video from here. I will give this video link in the video description. Now click on over here, go to playback, click on automatically and check loop until stopped and click on right button and send it to back and select the rectangle, go to shape format and make it white fill color. Now let me watch the slideshow and here you will see this is very beautiful. So hope you found this video helpful. If you like this video, please share this video with your friends and family and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.